Okay, hi guys. This is my third lecture of Scala, and now in this tutorial, we are going how to install the Scala on the various operating systems, including Macs and Linux and Windows. So I would recommend you to first go through this link, and here you can go to the Scala page, and there are basically two ways to install. One is for the beginners. I would recommend to install the both way, and this is download for IntelliJ and getting started with IntelliJ, building a Scala project IntelliJ and SBT, testing Scala IntelliJ, and and this one also using the SBT using command line. If you are familiar with the Unix command, you can download this one, and so I would recommend you to download both way, and just I already installed. And other way also for the Mac operating system and Linux base, so you can use the brew updates and brew install the Scala, and it will install the Scala. So I would recommend to install the 3-way. Next, and if you scroll down the get the at least I will recommend to get the latest version 2.2 or later the test with the Scala. So how to test the Scala? It's very simple. Go to here. I already installed, and just type Scala. That means you already installed the Scala, right? So it's a Scala 1, Java is 1.8, Scala is 2.8 versions I have. And you want to go out, you can try the command Control Z, and